So here's the output from the basement. 3 pumps plus our sump pump going. Approximately moving about 60 gallons a minute. So it's pretty insane here. The rain gauge measured 4¼ inches at 12:30 in the afternoon. So that's what we got in the last bit of rain since early this a.m. I believe that the rain woke us up about 3. And when I checked the basement at about 4:30, everything was fine. The water alarm woke me bolt upright before 6 a.m. and I went running down the stairs and closed the hatch, and it really didn't. I don't think the hatch is closing, or we wouldn't be in this mess. So that's fun. The insurance people from the city of West St. Paul will be coming out tomorrow and be talking to all of us. So it'll be a good time.